Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome, my dear students, with you, Mr. Mahmoud Sulaiman from As-Safa Azharian Institute. Our lesson today about comparing fraction and decimals. If I want to compare two decimals with each other, I will compare it using place value chart. What is the meaning of place value chart? Doing a table like this table here, ones, decimal point, tenths, hundreds. We have 0 in the ones place and 3 in the tenths and 6 in hundreds. And here we have 0 in ones, 5 in tenths, 6 in hundreds. So we have 0 equals 0. We have ones equal ones, and tens we have 3, and here 5. Who is greater? Already 5 is greater than 3, so 0.56 is greater than 0.36. Next, if I want to use this value chart to compare the following decimal number A, I will write these two decimals on the number of the place value chart. So we have 1 in ones and 1 in ones. In tens, we have 4 in tens and 2 in tens place. Who is greater here? It's 2. It's 4 greater than 2. So we have 1 and 42 hundredths greater than 1 and 25. Number B. Number B, we have 1 and 7 tens. Hundreds, there is not exist any numbers in hundreds place, so we will put 0 here. 1 and 73, 1, 7 at once at tens place, 3 at hundreds. So we have 1 equal 1 equal ones equal ones, and tenths equal tenths, and hundreds we have here 0 and 3. Who is greater? Already 3 is greater than 0, so 1 and 73 greater than 1 and 70 hundredths. Number 3, you can compare this to decimal with yourself. Next, use place value chart to compare each of the following two decimal. I will solve with you number A and number B, and you can solve number C and number D as a homework too. First, we can write 0 and 37 in place value. We can write 0 here and 3 in tens and 7 in hundreds. And 0 and 7 tens, we can write 0 in 1, 7 in tens place, and there does not exist hundreds, so we will put 0 in hundreds place. So if I want to compare these two decimal, we have 0.70 hundreds greater than 0.37 hundreds. So this decimal is greater than this decimal. Number B, we can write these two decimals in the place value. So we have 0.35, 0.29. So we have 0 and 35 hundredths greater than 0 and 29 hundredths. Secondly, comparing decimals and fraction in different forms. Example, compare 5 and 62 hundredths. This is mixed number, and 5 and 47 hundredths. Solution, we can rewrite this mixed number as a decimal number, so we can write it as a 5 and 62 hundredths. So we have here 5 and 62 greater than 5 and 47 hundredths. Example number 2, we can comparing by putting greater than, less than, or equal. 37 hundredths or 4 tenths. Who is greater? 4 tenths, it's equal to this 4 tenths. We can write it in decimal form 0.4. We don't have numbers in hundreds, so we can put 0 here. Who is greater? 40 hundredths or 37 hundredths? Already 40 hundredths is greater than 40 hundredths, so the result will be greater. 4 tenths is greater than 37 hundredths. Number B, 1 and number C, number B, 1 and 2 hundredths or 1 and 2 hundredths. it's equal, it's the same because we have 102 hundredths, it's equal 1.02. Number C, 24 tenses or 24 hundred. 24 tenses, it's meaning that 2.4, 2.4 written as 2.4, 2.4 or 24 hundredths. Already we have a whole number here too, and the whole number here is zero, or whole number here is zero, so 2 greater than zero, so we have 2 greater than zero, so 2 and 4 tenses greater than. Number B we solve it. Number E, 3 at whole number or 30 ten or 30 hundred and 30 hundred, already 3 at the whole is greater than 30 hundredths. Two ones and five tenths, two ones and 5 hundredths. Already 5 tenths is greater than 500ths. We finished our lesson today. See you next week.